Prophet Uche one of the sons of Prophet Owusu-Bempah our social media bo how Prophet Uche born no more say oh ma Owusu-Bempah home ma sembia. Now in this audio Manasseh allege say Owusu-Bempah very careful of Uche no na etwetwe so uti audio no pona na Owusu-Bempah just say we are sure say Uche ka ho bia na ebuso beka ya 5 years ago na Prophet Kumchacha ne maame Efrimu enti no asofo nyina abobɔ mu ha no emom kohyie mu wa pagya ekɔboa e ma osie ne maame kama now enkrofo omoko yie na se bi no ne Bishop Daniel Bini afi Prophet Uche enso na ɔka ho me seeking na me wo hobi because Kumchacha invite me say member cover video no man. As a matter of fact asofo any omoka say ne Prophet Uche was nowhere around the place, but now in this audio leaky you know Manasseh allege say ne Uche jina hobi as a matter of